Hello, how to solve n times n times n equals 1 divided by 27. Now, let's multiply this left-hand side, n times n power 2 times n. This is n power 3 equals 1 divided by 27. Now, I can express 1 as 1 times 1 times 1. I can also express 27 as this is 3 times 3 times 3. So this is 3 power 3. This is 1 power 3. So we have n power 3 equals 1 power 3 divided by 3 power 3. Now, a power c divided by b power c equals a divided by b to the power of c. So from here, I have n power 3 equals 1 divided by 3 to the power of 3. I can move this over here. That means I will have n power 3 minus 1 over 3 to the power of 3 equals 0. Now, if you have a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared. Okay, a plus b. That will be a squared plus ab plus b squared. And my a is n and b is 1 over 3. So, for a minus b times this, what we are going to do is we have n minus 1 over 3 times n squared plus n times 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 to the power of 2 equals 0. So from here, I have n minus 1 over 3 times n squared plus this is n over 3 plus, let's distribute this. We have 1 power 2 divided by 3 power 2 equals 0. So from here, I have n minus 1 over 3 times n squared plus this is n over 3 plus this is 1 over 9 equals 0. So from here, we can equate each of these to 0. We have n minus 1 over 3 equals 0. We have n squared plus n over 3 plus 1 over 9 equals 0. To solve each of these, let's start with this one here. I have n equals 1 over 3. That is my n1. And this is, in fact, a real solution. To solve this, I can recopy it down here. Equals 0. This is over 1. The common LCM is 9. So we have 9 divided by 1, 9. 9 times n squared. And n squared plus 9 divided by 3, 3 times n. 9 divided by 9, 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. Equals 0. This over 1. So we cross multiply. 9 times 0, 0. This multiplies 1, we have 9n squared plus 3n plus 1 equals 0. So next step is to solve this quadratic equation using the formula method. You write the formula in respect to n. N equals negative p plus or minus square root of is good minus 4 times AC divided by 2A. A equals 9, which is what we have here. B equals 3, which is what we have here. C equals 1, which is what we have here. So what we are going to do will be N equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of this is to the power 2 minus 4 times 9 times 1 divided by 2 times 8, that is 2 times 9. So from here, we have N equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of, this is 9 minus, this is 36 divided by 18. N equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of, this is negative 27 divided by 18. From here we have N equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 27 divided by 18. From here N equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of negative 1 is iota. This is square root of 27 divided by 18. So from here we have N equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 27, that is 9 times 3 divided by 18. This equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9 times square root of 3 divided by 18. From here N equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9, that is 3 times root 3 divided by 18. So this cancels itself bounds, this cancels itself bounds, this cancels this 6, so we have N equals negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3 divided by 6. So from here we have 1 over 6 of negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So guys, we have two complex values for N. My N2 is 1 over 6 of negative 1 plus I times root 3. My N3 is 1 over 6 of negative 1 minus I times root 3. Then I have my N1. My N1 here is 1 over 3. So we can verify. Let's verify. So we have N equals 1 over 3. That is N times N times N equals 1 over 27. So we have 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 equals 1 over 27. 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1, divided by 3 times 2, 9, 9 times 3, 27 equals 1 over 27. We put that and on the same, so this is it guys. Thank you and goodbye.